Hello, Team Easy Dating. Today's topic: when do men decide when they want to commit to you? Yes. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed, get in here, join the party. We're going to have so many videos, at least one a week, every Tuesday. And maybe we're going to add some more. We're going to work on it. Anyway, when do men decide when they want to commit? I love this. So men decide when they're not with you. And that probably makes no sense. A lot of women are out there thinking like, all right, I'm going to have this magical date with him, or we're going to have this amazing weekend, and I might fuck his brains out, or I'm going to have the best time. We're going to have phenomenal dinners, and we're going to have so much time. We're going to have all these values shared, and we're going to have these emotional moments and these great conversations, and I'm going to give him a blowjob and like all these wonderful things for him, and he's going to fall in love with me. And you're like, and then I'm going to rinse, repeat, and just keep going, and he will be mine. I got it. I like your strategy. I really do. And you're onto something. These are all great ideas and good things. But you want to know when he really figures out if you're the one and he wants to commit to you and be in love with you and do marriage and have a life partnership or whatever you're looking for? He decides when he is not with you and he has time to think. So yes, do have these amazing dates. Do have a wonderful time together. Do whatever you want to do that's going to be fun for you and him. But when he says, and maybe you're in a relationship, like, hey, I want to go out with my buddies, and you say like, well, I've got this thing, I don't really want you to go, you should let him go. Most of the time. If you have plans, obviously I understand. But when you are the cool girl that lets him go hang out with his friends, when he's hanging out with them, that's when he decides that he wants to commit to you. Because during it, he's like, man, my woman is so freaking cool. She let me go do this. She's not held me back. She's not put the old ball and chain. The old ball and chain just let me go do what I want to do. So she did not remove any of my freedom in this relationship. She is fantastic. And last weekend, we had the most amazing weekend ever. I got my blowjob. We had so much fun. We had a great conversation. We had wonderful dinner. It was fabulous. We went on this amazing hike. We held hands. We kissed. We talked. It was amazing. And I just love spending time with her. But he makes all his decisions when he's not with you on what he's going to do with you. So if you give him some time, and especially if you allow him to do these things, that's when he makes his decisions. All right? So you got to let the man do the things he's wanted to do. Because this all comes back to one thing. So we can all understand this. Men are afraid of commitment just because they think they're going to lose their freedom. And the moment they realize they're not going to lose their freedom, commitment is not scary to them. And all that looks like is not only, well, there is a little bit loss of freedom, right? So if, holidays come around or the weekend, you should work with your partner to figure out your plan, right? The plan together. What are we going to do? But if he realizes that life is so much better, because it's like, wow, I have these enhanced plans. I get to spend time with my girlfriend, my person. I want to spend time with them. But also, when we spent a lot of time, she allows me to see my friends or allows me to do the things that I want to do and allows me to have my life still. Well, this is the most amazing relationship ever because I get my amazing stuff with her. I get to have my life. I want this forever. And this is amazing. And this is the best life I could have. And this is better than what it was being single. When I was single, yes, I got to do all the things I wanted, but I never had to do all these fun things with my partner. So now I get both. Now we're talking. And I want to commit to this woman forever because I want both. I want the whole thing. I want the whole enchilada. All right? So if that makes sense, then you got it. And you know what to do. And do it because you want to do it. And you want him to be happy. Not because I told you to and you think it's the right thing to do and you secretly are starting to resent him because he's not spending time with you. That's not going to work. You need to figure out if you can come from a place of, man, I love this man so much, I want him to be happy. And as long as he's respectful to me and he treats me well and he gives me what I want him to have what he wants. And we are going to both be giving partners. We're going to give, and this is going to be beautiful. So if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe to Team Easy Dating. Get on the team. I want a bigger team. I want all of you with me so we can help each other. And comment. I would like to know, what do you think? Was this a good video? Tell me. My love language is words of appreciation, so if you have compliments for me, give you some virtual high fives. I will love it. Thank you. And guys, we'll see you next week. Love everyone. Be safe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.